Yo, what's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Busy here, back with another dance tutorial. Today we're going to be dancing to Love Nwantiti by CKay, so hope y'all are ready, alright? Let's waste no time, let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to get started with the first part. You're going to start on 5, 6, and the rhythm goes guru-do ba. Okay, so after we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm going to kick my left leg out, whipping my left hand around, guru-do. Okay? Then on the ba, I'm going to throw my hand up like I'm throwing the beat up, ba. And look at it. Alright? So it's gonna go 5, 6, guru-do ba. You're gonna catch up here. You're gonna hear the song goes yeah, tss, like a little shaker sound. So I'm gonna go looking up, yeah, and tss, to grab here. As I grab, I'm pushing my chest out, boom. Okay, to almost initiate like a body roll. Slow body roll. Then he says, my baby, my Valentine. On Valentine, you have 2 hits. Boom, my baby, my Valentine. The second hit is stronger. So, boom, my baby, my Valentine. That one's gonna sink it a little bit slower, okay? I'm gonna take my body to go. And kicking that right leg forward, left hand across like my jawline, hit back, boom. To sit back onto the right leg, pop up the left, okay? Well, from here now, I'm gonna take my left leg to go behind, to groove. I'm gonna step left, right, left. Then I bring my right leg in as I make my hands go. Buddha, boom, ba. And at the same time my hands are going, I'm gonna make my hips go. Buddha, boom, ba. And this is where he's talking about like, you make my temperature rise. So maybe the hands are going Buddha, boom, ba. Or if you wanna get creative, you'd be like Buddha, boom, ba. Like play around with your temperature rising in your body, okay? So let's go back one more time. We said 5, 6, do-do-do, ba. Yet, my baby, my Valentine, goom, ba. Tiki tiki ba, do doom boom. From here, he says something about if you leave me, I go die. So you're gonna push your hands out. Tiki tiki. So you're heading on the left heel. Pushy and up. Right leg goes out. Hand goes by your neck. Okay, and you're popping up on your toes. Tiki tiki boom. Bah. That's gonna be the rhythm. Okay, and it's gonna sink through, milk it through. Ha. Then you're gonna drop your weight into your right leg. Bring your hand to your chest. Ha. It's gonna be on I, and I'm gonna step onto this left leg, kick up the right leg. Swear. So both hands are gonna come through. Swear, like you're just going into that moment. Swear. Right, left, right. Okay, so we set from here. I swear. Ta, ta, ta. Now as this right hand pushes forward, I'm opening up with my body to bring my weight back towards the left leg. Hands go ha, boom. Here you're gonna hear the beat there, cuckoo, like a little underlining musicality there, all right? And stop there real quick. Let's go from the top. We set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, guru-do ba. Yet, my baby, my Valentine, ga, boom. Tiki tiki doom, temperature arise. If you leave me, go die, I swear. Tiki tiki ti, ka. Nice. Now the cool thing with that whole beginning part there, when you hit this part, my baby, my Valentine, you can change your hands. So I can make my hands go, my baby, my Valentine, to give it more of a personal feel, okay? So same direction, but put your own little twist on it, okay? Continuing to the next part after here, ka. We're gonna hit down, ka. Breathe. Doom, ha, just release the hands and sink down nice and low. Doom, ha, then come up. Ka. So my right leg and both my hands. Ka. Then I step into the left side. I'm gonna bring my hands towards me, going up my body. It says, your lovin'. Then you have the rhythm. Your lovin', drag it out. And hip, front, pull. Okay, so you're loving the totori me. All right. Then from here, I'm gonna come down, winding slow. Bring my hands towards my chest. I'm going. I am so obsessed. Cool. Then I take my hands to open up on the and count prep, and step on the heel. Chop, hit, boom, up. Then I'm gonna kick this left leg up. Bring the hands down, kick, boom, to land with my right leg up. All right? So let's repeat that one more time. So we set from here, ka, It says, to survive, I'll be honest. You're loving the totori me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your ule. Alright? So when you land here, with the leg up, you can land after you land. Boom, the hands could be here, the hands could be here, it could be in your own field, but as long as this picture with the legs is up. Alright? So, we said, moving on from here. Boom, ule. That's the part that's stuck in everyone's head rent free. Anyway, so from here, you're gonna step down, hands are going 1, 2, and you're using the hip. Before you do that move, you want to drop nice and low first. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So I'm gonna drop nice and low. Ule, your body, and ka, ka, ka. So I have 2 of those, alright? When I drop on your body, it's like I'm just sinking into that first beat. Ule, booka boom, ta, ta, ta. And you notice how I change my hands up there, alright? Then I'm gonna go forward. Ule, to do like a bucky bounce almost towards the front. Ule, hands are down here. Then I'm gonna hop back, right, left. Push the hands up, right, left. And you know this famous move right here, we go. Ha, ha. Jeez, there's 2 of those, okay? So you go, ha, ha. I'm gonna bring my hands in. Ule, to come towards my body. So sometimes I'll put my hands towards my mouth or do like a shh moment to go on. Ule, give me love, Nwantiti. So you have 3 hits. Ule, tiki tiki, ha, ha, ha. Cool, then we go to network. We're gonna take our left leg, we're gonna step in towards it. Baby, make a badman, all right? Then I'm gonna roll up here on the left leg. Guru ba, kaka. Okay, that's gonna be the rhythm there. Let's stop there for now, all right? So we repeat from here. The first ule, body, ka, 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 ule, open and make I see, ule, give me love, Nwantiti, baby, make a bad man, guru ba. All right? Let's stop there. Now, this part we go into the chorus. Now, the first half of the chorus we choreograph. The second half of the chorus we freestyle until the end. All right? So you can catch your own vibe. You know what I mean? So from here, we're gonna step out onto the right leg. Mind my vocals on this part, but you're gonna step out on da 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 da. Then use your hip with your hand to go ba ba. Okay, nice slow groove. 5, 6, 7, we said boom, dooga dooga doom, ha ha. Then you go around, pivot on the left leg. 1, 2, tap tap, heel out. Okay, when you're going around with that groove there, from here, cat cat, you can use your hands how you want. Boom, dooga dooga doom doom doom. All right, and that can be your own little vibe there with the hands how you feel. From here, stepping on with the right leg, I'm gonna go shoulder, shoulder, right, left, grab. All right, look at that groove one more time. Weight transfer, ha, ha, ha. Okay, and then from here, you have slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. So for your own waistline movement, for me, I'm gonna release to go slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. You can release it slow, slow, quick, 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 or slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. But the hand right here, once you start moving your waist, you can switch it up and do your own thing, all right? So that's gonna bring us to the end of the dance actually. Hopefully you made it that far, and if you messed up anything, it's all good. Just rewind and go through it again, all right? So we're gonna go through everything from the very top so you can try it out. Here we go, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, good do ba, yeah, my baby, my Valentine, yeah, boom, tiki tiki ta, booga boom boom. If you leave me, I go die. I swear, ta ta ta, ka ka. I'll be honest. You're loving it, ha 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 ka. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your ha ule, body do ba 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 ule, open and ha ule, tiki tiki ba ba ba. Baby, make a bad man guru do ba ba. na, ha, ha, ha. Doom, dugga, 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 boo, boo, ba, ba, ooh, dugga, dugga, ha, ha, ha. Finish it, ah, yeah, 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 jeez. All right, fam, that's it. We finished the routine. Now, if you film yourself doing it, I want you to tag me on all social media accounts right here so I can see your videos. And for you to do it with a little bit more guidance and with the music, you can click on this class video right here to see me and my students dancing the routine. All right, thank you so much. And if you're enjoying these free tutorials, please like and subscribe and let me know any song suggestions in the comments below. All right, peace out until next week.